Have you ever wondered how much smoother your manufacturing operation could run if everything was in one connected system instead of scattered across spreadsheets and disconnected tools? Today, we will discuss the best ERP for manufacturing. I'm Kayla with Knack. Let's jump right in. Manufacturing moves fast, and it only takes a few gaps in communication or visibility to create delays, supply chain hiccups, or rising costs. When you're juggling production schedules, inventory levels, and supplier relationships, it's easy for things to become disconnected. That's where manufacturing ERP software systems step in to bring everything into one place. These systems are built to unify your operations so you can streamline workflows, improve visibility, and stay competitive. Whether you're trying to get better control over production planning, inventory management, or your supply chain, the right ERP can help you boost efficiency and support growth. In this guide, we're walking through the best ERP options and how cloud systems are reshaping the industry. For manufacturers who want an alternative to rigid ERP platforms, Knack offers a flexible, no-code option. It lets teams build custom systems without developers, so you can create the exact tools you need for production schedules, real-time inventory tracking, or supply chain workflows. Instead of forcing your processes into a pre-built structure, Knack adapts to you. It's ideal for small to mid-size manufacturers or those with unique workflows that off-the-shelf systems struggle to address. Its key features include fully customizable databases and workflows, modules for tracking materials and deliveries in real time, and integrations with accounting, CRM, and other platforms. The biggest strengths are flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. And because it's no code, your team can adjust things as your operations evolve. There is some initial setup involved and fewer pre-built industry templates, but the customization power more than makes up for that. SAP S/4HANA is another major player. It's known for real-time analytics and huge enterprise-level capabilities, making it especially strong for large manufacturers with complex operations. It centralizes everything from procurement to production to supply chain management, so teams have more visibility and faster insights. With all that power, though, comes a steep cost and a long implementation timeline. It also usually requires consultants or specialized staff to manage it, which is why it's best suited for big global operations. Oracle NetSuite is one of the leading cloud ERP options. It provides real-time access to production, inventory, financials, and customer information all in one connected system. It's great for companies that want to scale without heavy IT overhead. It combines production management, supply chain oversight, and finance so teams can work more efficiently. Some smaller manufacturers may find the cost or customization requirements a challenge, but the platform is strong for growing businesses that want better visibility. Microsoft Dynamics 365 takes a unified approach by bringing ERP, CRM, and analytics together. It includes production planning tools, AI-driven insights, and robust supply chain management. A big advantage is how seamlessly it integrates with tools many teams already use, like Teams, Excel, and Outlook. Deployment is flexible, whether you want cloud, hybrid, or on-premises setups. But because it offers so much, the system can be complex to configure, and licensing can get expensive as you add more capabilities. Infor CloudSuite Industrial, also known as Sightline, is built specifically for manufacturers. It's designed for both discrete and process manufacturing and includes strong tools for scheduling, production management, and quality control. It shines when companies need deep manufacturing specialization. The trade-off is that it has a steeper learning curve and often requires training or customization to fully leverage its features. Epicor Kinetic focuses on modern, cloud-based manufacturing operations. It integrates manufacturing execution systems and IoT technology to give real-time visibility on the shop floor. With advanced scheduling tools and a clean, intuitive interface, it's a solid choice for mid-sized manufacturers digitizing their operations. Costs can add up as you expand features, and limited third-party integrations may be a consideration. When it comes to implementing a manufacturing ERP, start by identifying your operational needs. Look at production scheduling, inventory management, quality control, and compliance requirements. Next, evaluate vendors and compare capabilities like supply chain tools, analytics, and workflow automation. From there, decide how much customization you'll need. After selecting the system, deploy it. Run a pilot project, train your team, integrate existing systems, and continue refining and scaling your setup. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Kayla with Knack. Be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss future videos. See you next time.